That notification on your phone. The alert that someone's there when they shouldn't be. What happens next could depend on one single choice, the camera you bought. We've tested the latest models in day, night, rain, and glare to find the 5 that offer true peace of mind. One of them has an AI feature so advanced, it's almost like having a security guard on patrol. All the links to secure your home are in the description below. Let's see which camera is your first line of defense. Number 1. Reolink Argus PT 4K Plus. We love the Reolink Argus PT 4K Plus because it performs like the excellent Reolink Argus 3 Pro, our former top pick, but with better camera resolution, making it an easy choice to top our rankings as the best home security camera. While Reolink's cloud storage isn't as good as the options from Arlo and Ring, its microSD card slot gives it a local storage advantage. You don't need a paid subscription to save videos from your Reolink camera. It doesn't hurt that it's a solar security camera. The included Reolink solar panel means you don't have to charge the battery every few months. We also highly recommend the Reolink PT Ultra Plus SP and the Reolink Floodlight camera. They both have 4K video resolution and rechargeable battery or solar power, so you have crisp images with a lot of flexibility for camera placement. Still, it lacks a removable battery like Arlo Pro 4 and Ring stick-up cam. You can't quickly swap in a spare. The new Reolink Argus PT 4K Plus also has motion zones, so you can customize what your camera sees. Is your camera picking up traffic from the street and bugging you with too many notifications? Customize the motion zones so the camera doesn't detect the street. Number 2. REOLINK Smart 4K. 4K Ultra HD View and 3x Optical Zoom, capture every detail in stunning 4K clarity. The professional-grade lens and 3x optical zoom ensure sharp footage from a distance. Plus, the f1.6 large aperture excels in low-light conditions for superior nighttime surveillance. Pan, tilt and auto-tracking, achieve full 360 degrees coverage with ease. This smart PT camera detects and auto-tracks people and pets, providing comprehensive surveillance. Plus, preset up to 64 monitoring points for quick, targeted views of key areas. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth setup, experience faster, more stable connections with Wi-Fi 6. Seamlessly switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for optimal performance. The network setup via Bluetooth simplifies initial installation, making the process hassle-free. Person, pet, crying detection, stay connected to your baby with real-time alerts when crying sounds are detected. This smart camera also detects person and pet movements, minimizing false alarms. All without any monthly fees. Multiple storage options, select the storage solution that best fits your needs. E1 Zoom supports up to a 512 GB microSD card for up to 12 days of recording. It's also compatible with Reolink Wi-Fi and PO-NVR, Reolink Home Hub, Reolink Home Hub Pro, and FTP/NAS servers, supports RTSP/ONVIF. Number 3. Arlo Pro 5S. The Arlo Pro 5S 2K offers compatibility with more smart home platforms than any other entry on our list. It works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. Although it's no longer our top pick, it's still one of our all-time favorites. We love that it's 100% wire-free, it doesn't need a power cord and still manages to outperform the competition. Its Wi-Fi connection and battery make it easy to install anywhere a ladder can reach. The Arlo Pro 5S 2K is an excellent battery-powered camera, especially if you want a quick setup, multiple cameras, and outstanding video quality. Its 2K video captures more detail than 1080p outdoor cameras and records clear video any time of day, thanks to infrared night vision and a built-in spotlight. It's a breeze to set up, thanks to a helpful tutorial in the Arlo app. And the magnetic wall mount makes it easy to install anywhere. While you have to pay for cloud video storage on the Arlo Pro 5S 2K, it's one of the cheaper subscriptions out there at $2.99/month. Number 4. Nest Cam, Battery. This is Google's first battery-powered security camera, and we're pleased to say its battery holds up well in tests. Still, Google says the battery won't charge in freezing temperatures, so you may need to bring it inside to warm up during the winter charging sessions. This isn't unique to Google. Many wireless outdoor cameras like Arlo and Reolink have similar limitations. There's even free cloud storage now, making Nest a lot more viable for folks on a budget. It stores only 3 hours of video clips, but that's better than Arlo and Ring's complete lack of free video history. As a bonus, built-in video storage keeps the camera recording up to a week's worth of clips when the internet drops. Among the smart alerts you can use for free are person, animal, and vehicle detection, along with motion zones. Using so many features without a monthly subscription is a big improvement. You still need to pay to use facial recognition, but we're not as excited about that. We especially like that you don't need to pay a separate fee for each IP camera in your home. Number 5. Eufy Security SoloCam S220. The Eufy SoloCam S220 is a solar-powered, weatherproof outdoor cam with local storage and military-grade encryption. You can get the 2-, 3-, or 4-cam kit, continuously powered by solar. Just 3 hours of sunlight is enough to keep the camera running. The tiny size and wire-free design allow it to be installed anywhere. Day and night clarity, infrared LEDs and an f/1.6 aperture allow more to be seen for excellent night vision. Easy installation, use anywhere thanks to its tiny size and wire-free design. Drill one hole, once. Human detection, AL alerts you to anyone in your yard, whether family, a courier, or a stranger. And that's your undisputed champion. The camera that doesn't just watch, it acts, it deters, and it delivers crystal clear evidence. Ready to take your home security to the next level? Every single camera we just broke down is linked in the description below. Find the one that fits your needs and your budget. If this review helped you feel more secure, please hit that like button, it helps protect the channel. Share this video with anyone who cares about